Hi everyone, welcome to the Singing Assembly. How are you all? Hope you're all good. So today we're going to go over a few things we've been learning about breathing when we sing. Very important because we have to fill up our lungs and that gives us power to sing. Very good. So we're going to be looking at breathing again. And we're going to do a few warm-up exercises. We're going to sing a few warm-up exercises. We're going to sing This Little Light of Mine again today. And then we do have a very special guest today. Somebody you know at school. He's going to be singing with you later. So let's start, shall we? Are you ready? First of all, we need to get warmed up physically. So we're going to stand really straight up with our shoulders back. We're going to go shoulders up, down, up, down. Just follow me. Up, down, up, down. Faster. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. Now we're going to roll them back. You ready? Roll them down. We're going to do that 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we're going to shake out our silly hands. Shake them out. Shake this hand. That's great. Shake the other hand. That's good. Shake all over. Oh, that's really good. And when we start to sing, and when we start to do our exercises, we have to stand, we stand very straight, or we sit very straight, and our head is forward, looking straight there. You can't sing like that, or like that. There's a light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Have to sing outwards, right that way. Okay, great. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I've got something in my pocket. We're going to do this first. At Palmer Academy in the kitchen, they make this. It's toffee. And what I'd like you to do is to put this massive piece of toffee in your mouth and then give it a big chew. You ready? Bit faster. This side. This side. The other way. This side again. Is it nearly gone? This side, ready? Swallow. Good. This next one we're going to do is we're going to just give our face a little massage. Oh, that's nice. Give ourselves a little massage. Yeah, that's good. Good? Yeah, nice. Okay, excellent. And this one I'd like you to do, the next one, is we're going to make some big raspberries. You ready? Another one? One more. Very good. So my face feels nice and warmed up now. Do you remember the elevator song? We're going to do the elevator song. Are you ready? And we're going to do elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we take a deep breath and we go back down. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you ready? If we do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Were you breathing? I didn't hear you. Okay, let's do it again. Nice big breath. Okay, ready? So when we start, just before we start, nice big breath. Elevator, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you hear that? I had a really big cough in my throat then. I'm going to clear that. That's better. Can you do it again with me? Because I didn't do that right. I need to take a big breath, okay? Let's try again, see if Miss Jones can do it this time. Are you ready? Elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go a little bit faster, you ready? Elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bit faster, 1, 2, 3, 4. Elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bit faster, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Elevator, elevator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elevator, elevator, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. I've got a little song for somebody at school. Not Mr. Soiree's Mystery. No. This is for Miss Binks. It's a song about Miss Binks. Where does Miss Binks work at school? Yes, she works in the office. Good. So this is the Miss Binks song today. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. You sing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Very good. And don't forget to breathe, okay? Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Very good. Okay, and we're going to go up to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Breath. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Breath. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Another breath. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. We're going to go down. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Take a deep breath. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Deep breath. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Take a deep breath. Miss Binks baked me a blueberry biscuit. Thank you, Miss Binks. Wasn't she kind? Yep. Okay, so before we have our guest who's going to sing a song with you today, we're going to just do the song we did last week, which was This Little Light of Mine. I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Should we have a go? You ready? Don't forget nice breaths. And they're always taking nice big breaths because that gives you the power to sing. That's what gives you the power, the force to sing. You ready? I'm going to take a nice deep breath. You ready? This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Oh yeah. That was really good. Remember to breathe. The next verse is hide it somewhere. Oh no, I'm going to let it shine. Hide it somewhere, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it somewhere, oh no, I'm going to let it shine. Hide it somewhere, oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Very good. The next verse, do you remember it? I won't let anyone it out. Do you remember that one? Let's do that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Won't let anyone it out. I'm going to let it shine. Won't let anyone it out. I'm gonna let it shine. Won't let anyone it out. I'm going to let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Oh yeah. Okay, next one. Do you remember the next verse, the last one? Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Yeah, you ready? Should we do that one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Oh yeah. Excellent. I like that. That was really good. Now, it's going to be over to somebody who you know very well at school. He's going to play a song with you today. I hope you enjoy it. Have fun. See you next time.
Hey Palmer Academy, how you doing? Here's a new song for you to play and learn. It's a Beatles song called Here Comes the Sun. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Little darling, the smiles returning to their faces. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright. Sun, 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 here it comes. 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 Little darling, I feel the ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, I say it's alright.